What's up, YouTube? It's Jasmine JCB. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend and staying safe. Today I will be doing a eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so in this eyebrow tutorial I will be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade, and it's in the shade 382, which is a black and brown shade. And this brow pomade comes in 8 different shades, and it also comes with a spoolie and an angled brush. And we're going to get right up into this video, and I'm going to show you guys how I fleek my eyebrows. Okay, so right here I am taking the spoolie and I'm just brushing my eyebrows in an upward motion to, you know, get the hairs on my eyebrows together. And this spoolie comes in handy because it's a key factor when blending the pomade into your brows. Okay, and then I take the angled side of the brush and I'm dipping it in the brow pomade, and only dip a little bit of the brow pomade onto the angled side of the brush, because with this Maybelline brow pomade, a little goes a long way. Okay, right here I'm taking light strokes and just outlining my eyebrow. And if you notice, I don't start at the very beginning of my eyebrow. I skip a little space and then I start outlining my brows, and just light strokes to kind of fill in the rest of my brows. Very light strokes, and I'm just filling it in. And then I go to the beginning of my brow and I fill that part in and blend it in with the rest. And I'm doing the same for the top of my brow. I'm just going to the beginning and filling in the rest. And now I'm taking the spoolie and I'm blending and brushing the hairs in an upward motion to, you know, blend it and give it a more natural look. And the ultimate key is basically light strokes and making sure you use the spoolie to make sure you blend all of the pomade into your brows. Okay, so now I'm about to do the other eyebrow. So I'm basically doing the same technique that I did on my other eyebrow. I'm taking light strokes and outlining my eyebrow. And I'm filling them in, and then I'm gonna take the spoolie and basically brush my eyebrows in an upward motion to make it all blend together. And then right here, I'm just going in to kind of fill in any spots I missed and kind of, you know, add more pomade to my brows because it's not as full as I want them to be. So I'm just kind of just going over with the pomade and the spoolie, and I'm just, you know, blending it out. So right now I'm just adding the finishing touches on my eyebrows, like filling in any empty spots before I go in with the concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal my eyebrows, you know, to make it look way more neat and put together. So I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation to conceal my eyebrows. And this foundation is in the color F12. So I'm just putting a little bit of foundation onto the brush, and I'm literally just going to outline my eyebrows. And when concealing my eyebrows, I feel like less is more, so I don't go crazy with the concealer. I just use as little as possible to, you know, give it that nice clean finish touch to it. And I'm going for a more natural, realistic brow. I don't want it to be too bold. I want it to look very natural. So that's why I feel like less is more in this situation, because I'm going for a more natural look. So right here, I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty blender. Oh my goodness, I love this beauty blender. It is life. It blends my makeup in so well. And I always wet my beauty blender and then kind of wring it out with a towel to make sure it's like a little damp before blending it in. And then I just keep blending and blending and blending until all the makeup is blended into my skin the way I want it to be. So right here, I'm just going in with some more brow pomade and just, you know, adding the ends onto my brows, adding a little point to the end of my brows, and, you know, just going back in and filling it in very slightly. And I'm basically going to take my concealer and do the same thing for the other side of my brows.
It is your boyfriend on the beat.
Okay, so this is the finishing looks of my eyebrows. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you use for your eyebrows to, you know, get your eyebrows on point. And I will see you in my next YouTube video. Bye. Stay safe.